What's up, Orthos? My name is Keaton Walker. Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to talk about how Facebook steals your money when you click that little boost post button and what you should be doing instead. So let's go ahead and hop into my computer. We're going to check out how to create a business manager, an ad account, and how to use behavioral-based targeting to reach the people that are going to buy your services. Okay, so here we are at business.facebook.com. And what Business Manager is here, this is what you see in the middle. Business Manager is an umbrella organizational term that Facebook uses, and basically a CRM that they use to manage their customers, where you can put your Facebook page, you can put your Facebook ad accounts, and you can put your Facebook pixels all in one spot so that everything is together. So you're going to come here, business.facebook.com. If you don't have one already, go ahead and click Create Account. In trying to create this video, Facebook has had some technical difficulty. It's not letting me create another business manager. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into another one that I have, and I'm going to link a video. Right now, you'll see a video on how to create a business manager that I've made previously, and then we're going to hop into my new business manager, or my old business manager right now. Okay, in this video we're going to go over how to create a business manager account if you don't have one already. So what I've done is I've gone to business.facebook.com. Once you're here, you're going to come up to create account and just name this the name. This is completely internal, it's not client facing, but you can just name it the name of your practice. So let's say like demo practice here. My name, Keaton Walker, my business email. Then you'll fill out all of this information. Make sure you put your website in. So then it's going to ask you to confirm your email address. You can go in and do that later. So once you come in, you're going to have a page that looks just like this, and you need to add 3 things to it. Here on this set up your business manager part, you're going to come to add page, and you're going to add a page you own, and then you'll type in the name of your practice. Let's say demo practice. I don't think there's any, but you'll be able to add it there and then follow the instructions, and then you'll come into here to add an ad account, and usually you're going to have to create one. So you can just call this, again, the name of your practice. Make sure you put in your correct time zone, and then say this ad account will be used for my business. Create, and then you're going to toggle on, select yourself, and assign. So now your ad account has been created. And add people. You're not going to deal with this now. You can add members of your team here, but you're really the only one that needs to be in here. But you can, like I said, deal with it later. So once you've created your business manager, you should see something like this. You've got your ad account, you have your page connected to your business manager, and then here on the left there are a few different menu options. You've got ads manager, audiences, ads reporting, ad account settings, business settings, events manager. And today I want to just go over a few different features that you'll find here within the business manager so that you can create ads that are going to work for your practice. The 3 main things that you're going to be using here are ads manager, audiences, and then events manager as well. Like I promised at the beginning of the video, we're going to talk about what you should be doing instead of boosting your posts. And what that's going to be is your ads manager here. So let's say you want to create an ad for your practice. It's a slow time of year. You want people to start coming in. What you're going to do is come in here to Ads Manager, click Create Campaign. And Facebook actually just came out with an update today for me, so potentially you could be seeing something different. They're always testing different user interfaces here. But these are the 3 levels of behavioral targeting that Facebook has: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Each one of these behavioral targeting campaign objectives corresponds with a different part of the marketing funnel. So if you think about a funnel, at the very top, you have more space than at the bottom. And that's what the awareness stage of the funnel is. There are more people that are aware of your practice than are considering taking treatment from you. And there are also more people considering treatment with you than there are people who have actually started. So each of these, again, corresponds with a level of the marketing funnel. And so when you select one of these, you're telling Facebook what your goal is. You're saying, I want people to just be more aware of my practice, or I want people to consider treatment with my practice, or I want people to just come in and become patients right away. So a lot of people would go right here to conversions and try to create a conversions ad because that's all you want, right? You just want new patients coming in the door. But the problem with running a conversion ad is that you need to warm up your traffic before you can get it to convert. So running a conversion ad to cold traffic or people that don't know anything about you isn't going to do as well as running a consideration ad to the same audience. Let's go ahead and talk about each of these. So brand awareness. Facebook says show your ads to people who are more likely to remember them or most likely to remember them. Reach. Show your ads to the maximum number of people. So you can tell here by the way that Facebook describes this that they're saying they know which people are more likely to remember them. And that's the power of Facebook ads, is that they know the behavior of everybody on their platform. Not only do they know who it is that they follow, what they like, their purchase history, the time they spend on Facebook every day, they know what types of ads they click on and what types of brands they remember. So they know, let's say that a clothing brand served them a brand awareness ad 3 months ago. They know that they saw that ad first, and then down the line they were maybe served a conversion ad and they bought. So they're serving it to people who like these kinds of ads and have exhibited through their behavior on Facebook that they like brand awareness ads. And the same goes for all of these. So if you pick a traffic campaign, you're going to send people to a destination like a website, app, Facebook event, or messenger conversation. So depending on whether you choose website, Facebook event, an app, or a messenger conversation, you're telling Facebook, I want people who like messenger ads, or I like people that like visiting websites to see my ads. If you come here to engagement, this is where the problem comes with boosting posts. It says get more page likes, event responses, or post reacts, comments, or shares. So when you boost a post, you're telling Facebook, I want you to show this ad to people who like to click like, love, share, or comment on pictures. You're not telling Facebook, I want to find people who are ready to buy my product or buy my service. You're simply telling them, I want more likes, which at the end of the day isn't going to get you new patients. So when you choose the boost post button on Facebook, that's all you're telling Facebook. It automatically assigns the engagement behavioral targeting option. So that's the problem with boosting your posts. And what you're going to want to do is choose one of these: traffic, video views, lead generation, or messages is what I would choose if I were you as an orthodontist. App installs obviously isn't going to apply to you, but video views, this is going to appeal to people who like to watch videos. And the same thing with lead generation. This is going to apply to people who like to submit their information. And messages, this is going to appeal to people that like to send messages on Facebook. Not only is it going to appeal to them, but Facebook's algorithm is going to be biased toward those people. And here on conversion, this is the same deal. It's going to match the future people that it shows the ad to the people in the past who have become customers. This works a lot better for e-commerce or some kind of online store where Facebook has a ton of data about the people who are visiting your site, where your orthodontic website doesn't really have enough traffic to justify running a conversions ad. Catalog sales is the same kind of deal as a conversions ad, and store traffic would be for like an ice cream store that wanted to drive more people walking into their store where all their sales and everything is based on somebody walking into the store. So that's how you use behavioral-based targeting and get Facebook to actually give you a nice return on investment and not just likes, comments, and shares. So once you click, let's say that we want to do a traffic campaign. We want to send traffic to Messenger. This is the campaign that I run for all of my clients. It's called the Cost Calculator campaign. And in it, what we do is send people through an automated bot conversation that allows them to get an idea of how much their cost for orthodontic treatment is going to be. It's super effective, and it gets new patients on autopilot for all of our clients, and it isn't a boosted post. That's the main thing that I want to get across today, is that we're running really robust ads through Facebook's backend for people who actually know how to run ads, not just saying, hey Facebook, take $100 from me please and give me as many likes, comments, and shares as you can. So we're going to optimize for Messenger, and this is where it gets really powerful. You can come in and change your daily budget, but changing the location is something that's really cool. So let's say we want to change this to 1234 Paris Street. We live in Canada, and we want people within 7 miles to see the ad that we're running. What I would do is change this to women 30 and above. It just tends to work better. Overall, there are men and there are women that are going to click on your ads, but if you want your ads to perform better, women is what's going to, across the board as a general rule, perform the best. And then once you're done targeting, you'd come in here to create your ad, and this is where you can add a picture, you can put in the primary text, the headline, all of that, and create a beautiful ad that's going to get you new patients. But again, really everything comes down to you picking the right campaign objective. And if all you do is, hey Facebook, I want more likes, comments, and shares, that's all you're going to get. I really hope this video has been of value to you. There's so much to understand about how powerful Facebook ads can be. I know they can get you new patients, you just have to do it the right way. So if you have more questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to leave a link below in the description where you can schedule a call with me, and also my email if you have any general questions. Also, I'd love to hear in the comments other questions you have about Facebook ads, so that in the future I can address them in videos like this. Once again, love being in the orthodontic community. I'd like to serve you in any way I can. Reach out to me at any time. Have a great day.